year's winners to represent once again the Filipino community of Saudi Arabia to be competed this year in the Philippines.
Yes, I think they have to drink water kasi matutuyo na ilalamunan nila. Alright, with that, we will be announcing our winners.
But before we announce the winners, we will call on our top 6 here on stage.
Okay.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this year's 2025 Top 6 Final Delegates.
Yes, and also our Top 11 finalists.
Of course.
Of course.
We will call on once again our 11, remaining 11 finalists.
Join your brothers on stage.
Partner, we have total of 4 crowns tonight.
Yes, 4
plus 2.
Yes,
or 4 plus 1.
Yes.
Are you guys ready? Can we have some noise? Where's the fans of Taif City? Mr. Grant Al-Marwa.
Alright.
Mr. Grant Al-Sulamania.
Mr. Grant Al-Luzon. Mr. Grant Al-Batha.
And Mr. Grant Al-Aki. I think our audience are ready to witness our winners tonight.
I know that the judge had a hard time, but thank you so much, moms and sirs, for being with us tonight. And your job is the crucial part of the show, so thank you so much for sharing your time.
Exactly. Thank you for joining us tonight. Can we have the results? The result.
Do we have the results? Oh, maybe remind our guests that all of them will receive huge cash prizes. 200,000 for our Mr. Grant Philcom KSA. Wow!
Exactly.
And the grandest in the kingdom.
The winner of the title of Mr. Grand Philippines Philcom KSA 2012 will be receiving a total of 200 pesos.
200,000
200,000 pesos.
Partner! Mag-aabono na naman tayo. 200,000 po. Totoo po. 200,000 200,000 pesos.
200,000 pesos.
Yes. Cash, of course.
Cash deposit.
Oh, and then also they will be competing in the Philippines to represent the Filipino community in Saudi Arabia, which is also a great honor. So we have to continue supporting our candidates, not just the Philcom KSA partner.
We also have the Philippine Youth Philcom KSA.
Yes.
We competed also in the Philippines this year.
Yes.
We also have Mr. World Tourism Philcom KSA.
Yes, and Mr. Grand Philippines Philcom Jeddah also.
Yeah.
Yes.
Can we have the final results now?
Wait lang daw. Who do you think is the Mr. Grand? Wala po. Who do you think is the Mr. Grand Philippines Philcom KSA 2025? Walang permanent.
I'm hearing Aldo's so loud.
Dito kasi tabi natin, pero halo-halo din sila dito. Alright. Oh, okay. Ang partner na. Ikaw naman, ano yung na-feel mo throughout? Was it intense for you?
Partner, it's my first time to host this kind of event. And I'm really thankful to this organization for trusting me of hosting this event.
Nakakakaba, diba? Kaya diba kasi may envelope? Sino ba ito?
It's not in kaba, but it's more on excitement.
Yes.
Exactly.
Yes,
I'm very excited. We are very excited to witness this year's winners.
Yes, and yearly naman, mas nag-upgrade tayo for the experience, not just for our contenders, but also for our audience. So, alam ko, in the next seasons natin, mas hype palalo.
We're all gonna see you all next year.
Yeah, from Riyadh. Maraming from Riyadh, right? Yes, from South region. Meron po ba? South?
From Central Riyadh,
Central,
from Eastern Province.
Province. Meron po ba?
Yes, we have Alcobar delegates.
Alcobar, o diba?
And of course, the Western Province.
Oh, they came all the way from
I think they have a hard time to provide our winners tonight.
Hindi naman. Siguro ano lang, ang tawag doon, iniisip nila, parang saan kaya itong
They are tabulating their scores correctly.
Yes, of course. And thanks so much to our PICPA, our official tabulator for tonight's event. Thank you so much, sirs. Your job is also very crucial for tonight's show. So salamat po sa inyong effort. Alright? Woo! Partner, do you want to share anything from reviewing the videos from last year to now? How was it?
Do you want the real talk, partner?
Yes.
It is indeed. It was an amazing show last year.
Yes.
But this year is very hype.
Yes, and amazing.
The production, a big round of applause for this year's production.
Yes, all our performers, Mia Sara, Ezra, Junor,
All of our
Rhea,
productions, performers,
Cinco,
indeed.
dancers, Calypso,
They are doing the great job.
Izay Racho, yes, of course. Ay, nako, ang gagaling po ng ating mga
And we're looking forward to see you again next year.
Eto na, sinasabi niya next year din daw po siya. Inshallah, sabi na natin. Hopefully, di ba? We'll see each other next year again. Uy, meron ba?
And of course, I would like to say thank you to Madonna Couture for...
The outfit, yes.
Yes,
thank you
for...
so much po.
Yeah.
Madonna Couture for our formal
I took
wear.
this shirt a while ago and he offered me to wear one of those creations, exactly. Thank you
so much,
Appreciate
sir.
that.
And also to our handlers. The handlers who were there for our candidates since day one. Pasalamatan nyo rin sila after the event.
Behind all their success.
Thank you so much.
I think the winners are in.
Is it?
The list of our winners are in. Can we have the final results now?
Maybe call on stage our CEO, Mr. Choi Lee, up on stage, bearing the results for tonight. Ito na, partner. Ready na ba kayo?
Partner, the first one we're going to announce is the Choi Lee.
Kinakabahan sila kasi. Ready ba kayo? Ready na ba kayo? Alright, kami rin. As in.
Alright, one big round of applause. Just to make noise in this room. Mr. Choi Lee is coming.
Here with us is Mr. Ricky Paki.
Thank you, sir, for your support.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
In our hands are the magic envelopes containing the results for tonight. Are you guys ready? We will begin with Choi Lee, Ambassador of Leadership.
Choi Lee Production Ambassador of Leadership will receive sash and trophy, cash prize of 15,000 pesos. The skincare treatment is sponsored by Manel's Touch. Round trip ticket domestic flight to any point of KSA. Gift bags from Saudi German Hospital. Gift bags from Oljum Perfume. Awarded by Diane Harding, Emerson Floral, Mr. International Fulcom KSA 2025, and Jensen TV.
Our Choi Lee, Ambassador of Leadership, is Mr. Grant. Mr. Grant, Al-Fatah, congratulations!
Once again, congratulations. For our Choi Lee Ambassador of Influence, Mr. Grant Al-Batha.
of Influence.
Once again, congratulations, Mr. Grand Alvador. Our next winner, Trainee Ambassador of Influence for this year.
Joining Production Ambassador of Influence will receive sash and trophy. Cash prize of 15,000 pesos. Skincare treatment sponsored by Mandela's Touch. Round trip ticket to 8th point of KSA. Gift bags from Saudi German Health. And gift bags from Ultra Perfume. To be awarded by Miss Diane Hardy, Mr. Emerson Floral, Mr. International Philcom KSA 2025, and Jensen TV.
And the winner of this year's Trainee Ambassador of Influence is Mr. Grant! Mr. Grant Al-Sulamania! Next, Philippine Youth Philcom KSA.
Mr. Philippine Youth Philcom KSA 2025 will participate. Mr. Philippine Youth 2025 which will be held on January 2026 at Manila, Philippines, to represent Filipino community of KSA. The winner will receive sash and trophy. Skincare treatment is sponsored by Mandela's Touch. Jensen TV gift voucher worth 2,500 pesos. Staycation package for 3 days and 2 nights in Manila. Round trip ticket Riyadh, Manila, Riyadh, sponsored by Philippine Airlines, and cash prize of 50,000 pesos. Awarded by Cuatro Hermanos, La Paz Banchoy, Don de Dios Salon and Spa, and the winner will also receive gift bags from Saudi German Health and Ultra Perfume.
Our Philippine Youth Philcom KSA is Mr. Grant. Mr. Grant Al-Nusa. Congratulations!
Once again, congratulations to our Philippine Youth Philcom KSA, Mr. Grant Al-Nusa. Tourism Philcom KSA.
Mr. Tourism World Philcom KSA 2025 will participate Mr. World Tourism Philippines 2025, which will be held on July 2025 at Manila, Philippines, to represent Filipino community of KSA. The winner will receive sash and trophy. Skincare treatment is sponsored by Mandel's Touch. Jensen TV gift voucher worth 2,500 pesos. Staycation package for 3 days and 2 nights in Manila. Round trip ticket Riyadh, Manila, Riyadh, sponsored by Philippine Airlines. Cash prize of 50,000 pesos. Gift bags from Saudi German Health and gift bags from Aljo Perfume. To be awarded by Queen Production, Rod Ryan Cailes, Bar, Romel Muhar. Mr. Grand Philippines Philcom KSA Ambassador of Influence 2024.
And the winner of this year, Mr. World Tourism Philcom KSA is Mr. Grand Alaki. Once again, congratulations, Mr. Grand Alaki. Request our two delegates, Mr. Grand Almarwa and Mr. Grand Begim City, to come down here on stage.
Congratulations once again to our Mr. World Tourism Philcom KSA, Mr. Grand Alaki. At this juncture, we would like to request the two remaining candidates to come here at the center stage, Mr. Grand Almarwa and Mr. Grand Taif.
May I request for them to please come and sit to present our winner.
At this juncture, also,
at this point in time, we're going to announce the Mr. Grand Philippines Philcom Jeddah.
Philcom Jeddah first, followed by our Philcom KSA. And again, I would like to remind everyone that in the event that the Mr. Grand Philippines Philcom KSA does not fulfill his duty, Choi Lee Production has the right to assign their delegate. Okay?
Once again, this year, Mr. Grand Philippines Philcom Jeddah.
Mr. Grand Philippines Philcom Jeddah 2025 will participate Mr. Grand Philippines 2025, which will be held on January 2026 at Manila, Philippines, to represent Filipino community of Jeddah. The winner will receive sash and trophy. Skincare treatment sponsored by Mandel's Touch. Jensen TV gift voucher worth 2,500 pesos. Staycation package for 3 days and 2 nights in Manila, sponsored by First Park Homes. Round trip ticket Riyadh, Manila, Riyadh, sponsored by Philippine Airlines. Cash prize of 50,000 pesos. Gift bags from Saudi German Health and gift bags from Aljo Perfume. To be awarded by Kuis Grill and Restaurant, Nick's Kabayan Restaurant, Mr. Mark Anthony Ramos, and Mr. Emerson Tuinas.
The winner that I'm going to announce is this year, Mr. Grand Philippines Philcom Jeddah. Are you ready? This is the moment of truth. Jeddah is Mr. Grand. Mr. Grand, the Ip City. Once again, congratulations, Mr. Grand, the Ip City.
Congratulations, Mr. Grand Taib. Mr. Grand Philippines, welcome Jeddah 2025. What a moment, partner. These two came back stronger, definitely. Wow.
The second timer.
Congratulations,
Once again, congratulations,
Mr. Grand
Mr. Grand,
Philippines.
the Ip City.
Yes, welcome Jeddah. And now, we will officially announce our Mr. Grand Philippines. Welcome, KSA 2025.
Mr. Grand Philippines KSA 2025 will receive or will participate Mr. Grand Philippines 2025, which will be held in January 2026 at Manila, Philippines to represent Filipino community of KSA. The winner will also receive such a trophy. The skincare treatment is sponsored by Mandel's Touch, Jensen TV gift voucher worth 5,000 pesos plus Al-Jumang Dental Clinic Services. Staycation for 3 days and 2 nights in Manila, sponsored by First Heart Homes. Round-trip ticket Riyadh, Manila, Riyadh, sponsored by Philippine Airlines. And cash prize of 200,000 pesos. Gift bags from Saudi German Health and 1-year free supply of Aljo perfume. Awarded by Mr. Yasemin Tuan, CEO and Country Director of Mr. Grand Philippines KSA. Mr. Aaron Joe Reyes, Mr. Ricky Paking of Philippine Airlines, and Ms. Susan Sumayo of Kuya Roms Kamaya.
Partner?
Announcing our Mr. Grand